I am Leah, and this is my first video I'm actually posting on YouTube. Yay! I'm going to be self-teaching myself how to put on makeup. Ooh, this is going to be a fun ride. Okay, and before I start, I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe after the video or before. You can do whatever. My next video is probably gonna be on unicorn snot. And then I put a little bit on the brush. And the trick to makeup is to make it look like you aren't wearing any at all, okay? So you put it on like this. Then you gotta rub it real nice. This is where I like to use my fingers. Make your cheeks just like rosy. Like that. And then just rub it in like that. So this is a brush I use for my starter kit. Doesn't really help out too much, but it still kind of gets the job done. So what you have to do is if you want to use this, either of these, I'm going to go with this. Just put your finger in that, rub it gently. Look, that is my finger. Okay, I have to do that. Make sure nothing's on the outside like this. So I've seen my mom do this like a million times, and she's done this to me before. So this is what it'll look like. And what I like to do, and what my mom has done many times, is just do this. Maybe just like blink a little bit. Next side. So this one is the one I am going to use. You just do this with it. And please subscribe down below and tell me if I'm doing anything wrong. Because I might not be knowing what I'm doing. Remember, I'm self-teaching myself. So I like to close one eye and then just do this. And keep one eye open so I can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, got that done. Probably gonna get this wrong, so this is probably the thing you're gonna be subscribing for and telling me if I'm doing this right or wrong. This is, I don't even know what it is. Eyeliner. What the heck is eyeliner? Okay. I'm gonna guess this is what you do with it. Oh gosh, no. Oh, nope. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna end the video here. Don't do that for makeup. That was an epic fail. That is not what you do. Okay. Maybe you do it like this? No. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Here, I'm just gonna put it back. Pretend this didn't happen. And I'm gonna be cleaning myself up. Okay. That's clearly not working. Okay. Bye, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Whatever this is, do not use it for what I did or ask a guardian to use it the proper way. Because otherwise, this or this will happen. And this. Okay. Bye. Have a good day. Leah out.